Start out with the thought that the president did highlight Houston for everything that you were doing with One Safe Houston, using those ARPA funds.
Well, I think what, listening to the president today, I think that number one, it reflects that even the president is paying attention to what's happening in the city of Houston. This One Safe Houston has gotten attention. That's one of the reasons why Chief Fenner and I were asked to be here at DC to talk about One Safe Houston. And it's about a $52 million initiative. Most of that is funded through the ARPA funding coming from the president and Congress. So we appreciate that. And the results speak for themselves. I mean, crime is going down in the city of Houston, and they have taken note of that nationally. But now we just have to make sure that the people in the city of Houston are safe and that they feel very, very safe.
I know you spoke briefly with him. Did you thank him directly for?
Yeah. I thank the president for the federal funding. I told him that we were using it, wisely. Certainly appreciative of the fact that the funding is helping to put more police officers on the street, provide more park rangers for our parks and green spaces, the use of technology, crisis intervention, the re-entry program. That's $1 million. And then for our community credible messages program and community influencers. So it's being used for law enforcement use, being used for community, it's been used for our mental health, and I don't want to forget our domestic abuse response team. That's $10 million on that initiative alone. So from all indications based on the numbers, they are working, and we're very appreciative to the president and Congress for making those dollars available.
Chief, do you want to add to?
Yeah, just want to add, just really appreciative of the president, but also so proud of the men and women on the front line and our support teams, but our entire community, because that's how you reduce crime. It's not solely left up to the police, but we put the fund in there, and the mayor's One Safe Houston program touches everything and everybody and lifts them up. And that's what we're looking forward to. We know summer is coming. But we're going to keep pushing forward, and these funds certainly helped us. So we're going to move forward.
And let me just add, it's an all hands on deck. It's not just any one piece, it's all of those pieces, working together. We need our partners working on it, the DA's office, our judges, you name it, all of those pieces, the community. Everybody has a role to play, working in collaboration with our police officers, utilizing technology, working with Crime Stoppers. All of these different components working together will help to make a very safe city.
And the final thing I want to ask, you see what happens when we unify ourselves and stop pointing fingers. So I'm really excited about us coming together, our entire criminal justice system. So I just want to thank everybody.
And we wouldn't be here if it wasn't working. Let me put it that way. If the resources were not being used in an effective way, the president would not have specifically asked Chief Fenner and myself to be here on behalf of everybody locally doing their part. So a big shout out and a big thanks to every single person in the city of Houston. Appreciate you and love you.
Thank you.